course the GoPro's not really catching it. Dude, where is everyone? What? Where'd everyone go? Oh. See, you can't really see it. You can't really see it. Look, there's other people out here recording it too. Whoops, I shouldn't have said that word. Oh my gosh, look at it. I mean, look at the ground. The ground is dry. They said dust storms because the soil is dry. Whew, does it smell on here? Look, what is all this? Look. What is this? No way. What do you think? What trees have that? What the? Did this fly out? Where'd this come from? Where'd this come from? Oh my god, it's going in my eyes. Is it going in your eyes? Yeah. You want to walk back this way? Oh my gosh, it's in my eyes. Somebody on YouTube said drought and erosion, I think. Look up the Dust Bowl of 1930s. Yeah, we're not here in the 1930s, we're here in 2025, but okay. I have no idea if I have the sound control on. I really have no idea if I do, but oh god. Oh my gosh, it really is getting in my eyes. Do a 360 real quick. You could see it right there. Yo, you said yo, I'm like, wait, is that Joey? Oh, yeah.
Shit. I was walking a fucking tree branch. I was like, whoa.
There was dust and stuff.
Yeah, I got an alert right now. It's like, hey, alert, don't go outside. I'm like, fuck that, I'm going outside.
It was in my mouth and eyes, the dust.
Yeah, dude, I got Lori's fucking house. I had to get out. I was gonna walk Peppa and she didn't want to walk. I'm like, whatever. Dude, it's just all in my eyes. Oh, it's nuts. How long you guys been out here?
Oh, we just came here like a couple minutes ago.
This shit is fucking wild. Last time this happened, my boy got like asthma attack and he fucking fainted. I was like, what? I gotta get out of the house. I'm gonna get a taco or something. I'm starving. You guys want a taco?
Oh no, yeah, it's okay.
Be careful out here, man. See you guys later.
Alright. Alright, you too.